What's up and welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video we're going to talk about Quora's official statement about Spaces, Quora Spaces updates for 2021, or you can say latest Quora Spaces updates for 2021. Basically, Quora made a post on their blog on Quora stating that they are going to go ahead and distribute your Quora Spaces to a wider audience on Quora itself. However, provided you need to do something about to get that particular reward. So in case if you're wondering how does Quora reward users in 2021, this video is going to be for you. In today's video, we'll be checking out what exactly is the Quora's latest update that they have shared and what are the benefits of external traffic on Quora 2021. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are on the official Quora space on the Quora website altogether. And as you can see, they have made a particular post on the 10th of June saying a new way to help boost your spaces to a wider audience. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and read this out for you. Hi Spaces admins and owners. We've recently rolled out a new way for you to grow your spaces and expand its following by rewarding any outside traffic the space brings to Quora with greater distribution within the platform itself. This means that anytime someone off Quora visits your space, such as through Twitter or Facebook or via external link, it has a higher chance of being shown in the Discover News Spaces, carousel, or distributed in other people's Quora feeds or in their notifications. So basically what does this mean is you need to either go ahead and, as I said, you need to go ahead and share it on Twitter or Pinterest. Instagram is not going to be that much of a good thing as well, and to be really honest, it does say that you need to bring the external link, but trust me, it is not possible to create a backlink every time you get a post on your Quora Spaces. So I would rather recommend you to go ahead and share it on your Twitter and your Pinterest account. That's gonna be more beneficial and it's gonna be more easier, trust me. Alright, moving out. In practice, the easiest way to invite people of Quora to check out your space is by clicking More, Share at the top of the space page, or selecting the sharing options under individual space posts. Using this, you can share your spaces and its content directly with friends on Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp, or anywhere else. If the space visitors also sign up to use Quora, the space's distribution gets further increased as well. So basically, it's going to benefit you for getting that external traffic on Quora, and the way it basically works on any other social network platforms as well. If you check out Pinterest, if you check out YouTube, it always gives you a bit of an upper hand for getting those particular users which are not already there on their platform. Moving further, Quora says that we are doing this to reward your hard work in bringing more engagement to your space and to Quora with the most benefits accruing to spaces that get signups. So the main the objective is going to be making people sign up on Quora or exploring that new audience which has never explored Quora in the way we Quorans do. But that is going to be the main objective, because the more signups you get through your Quora Spaces, the more your space is going to go ahead and get explored or distributed by to a wider audience. Another thing, as many of you had expressed some concerns in the recent past about new ways to grow your Quora Spaces, we are hopeful that can be a useful lever for you to help make your space expand its reach and attain greater heights of success. If you have any thoughts or ideas, please share them in the comments below. Alright, so basically this is when Quora generally every Friday or Thursday, you might be knowing if you're a Quora user, they go ahead and share a post about the spaces and they ask for your feedback. So many of the Quorans actually went ahead and reported that we need a different way of promoting our Quora Spaces and to get that particular huge amount of audience on these spaces. So what are we supposed to do? So this is what Quora has come up with, and this is the thing that I wanted to share with you guys, especially because I have a lot of audience on this particular channel who is related to Quora. I hope this particular video would be helpful for you guys, especially if you have created a new space or you're thinking of creating a new space. Also, I'm going to show you the new spaces that I have created. For instance, I as I told you, they are not like huge, but this is like just for 2 weeks old post. I think this is a very good exposure that it has got. So this is one of my Quora spaces that I've created, that is promote your Pinterest, because considering there is a lot of audience for Pinterest online, and it is, I mean, there is no way of sharing something for Pinterest on Quora. So promote your Pinterest automatically says that you can go ahead and start posting your pins over here and getting traffic from Quora to Pinterest. So I already have 38 followers on this particular space, and I have 1000 views within 2 weeks. If you say 1000 organic views, that is really something which is good. And all I do is queue the particular posts on this particular space. Or just to give you a gist, LinkedIn engagement is another space that I have created. Now this one doesn't have the, mind you, I've created both, or actually two more of the spaces at the same day at the same time. However, this one has only 626 views and 34 followers, and that one has got 1000 views altogether. Again, if you do not know what have I done for like keeping this particular post, I mean space alive, you just need to go ahead and start queuing your posts, and that's going to do a lot of work for you guys. Apart from that, when you get any particular post or anything on your space, what they were talking about, like what as we read on the Quora blog post, what they were saying is you can go ahead and share your post, I mean your space, from either these three dots over here. Just click on these three dots and click on the share button, and you'll get a lot of options to share it. Or else you can go ahead and you can individually share the particular post, and that is by clicking on the share icon over here and sharing it wherever you want. So keep in mind that the main objective is going to be making people sign up on Quora, the people who have not explored. However, just do not focus too much on that particular point itself, because there are even if someone just visits through your link, if they visit on your Quora space, that's going to be beneficial as well. I hope you found this particular video helpful, and if you like this video guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. I keep on creating this kind of videos on a weekly basis, and whenever you guys subscribe, it's just a motivation factor to create more and more videos like these. By the way, if you guys are wondering why am I talking so much about Quora, I have some 3 lakh content views on Quora, and this is something which is purely out of experience that I'm talking what exactly is gonna work out and what is not. Let's see if my Quora profile loads. Yeah, so as you can see, yesterday it was 3 lakh 18,000 whatever views, and today it has become 3 lakh 20,000 views. So I'm not kidding about it. Just try this particular things and it's gonna work out for you guys. Thank you for watching.